Namaste. Hi. How we position, move, and adjust the arms and deep kneeling back bends play a vital role in making sure we open the spine in its entire length, from the low back to the neck, especially the thoracic, the upper back in general, because the chest being the heaviest, the most dense part of the spine because of the rib cage there hugging the spine, the heart and the lungs add that pressure within. And then to make it even more complex, the arms and the shoulders and then the shoulder blades can get in the way of our chest opening up to its full potential. So for today, let me teach you some drills I do myself in adjusting my arms and breathing through the process. And this is like the continuation of our lesson regarding the elbow placement and the hand placement as well. Okay, so let's understand the principle from the kneeling back bend Ustrasana. Okay, bringing those arm bones up, and then you know this too well. Arm bones up, externally up, and then you can do it one at a time. Okay, all right, and then here, this is the Ustrasana, right? Yeah, the kneeling back bend. All right, so what I want you to do now from the Ustrasana is to place your hands underneath your body, underneath your upper back. Somewhere in your calf. And then you roll the arm bones externally and under. And then you can place your hands actually between the legs in an external rotation. And then here you can lightly open the neck. And then right away you will feel that your chest shall open up. Because if your hands are too far back in the Ustrasana, this is restrictive. But if you place your hands here, it makes your upper back lighter. And then you can continue the process here. Opening up. Okay, you can release the hand. Okay, you can do this. And just move your arm bones up like you're swaying, like you're lubricating your shoulder blades. And then you can cross that elbow. And at the same time, moving your spine over already. All right, and then at this point you're here, right? Now this is where it gets a little bit more difficult. All right, you can open the elbows, like what I've taught you in the last one. Open the elbows, but keep your hands somewhere here. All right, so like you're using your hands to cushion the neck. Feel free to lightly lift the head. Elbows wide, and then from here, lightly forward, and then move the entire upper back up and over, and applying the arms, rotating externally. Okay, and then here you will be able to see your feet already. All right, you can do this. Lower down a bit, forward, wide, and then your hands remain here. All right, and then here you can loosen, but keep your arms rotating externally, and then grab hold of your heels. And then you come up to readjust. Okay, I'll do this. All right, my head is up. And then I will try to walk my knees underneath, and then that will allow me to scoop the shoulder blades further under, and I will return and touch the ground. And then to come up, same principle as before, all the way up to your release. All right, so let's repeat that. This time I will change my angle so you can also see this spot. Okay. Breathing in starts with your Ustrasana. Good. One arm. And then the other one. Okay, you can walk your knees there. Good. And then here you can even rub your shoulders. Open up the neck, looking from shoulder to shoulder. External, and then between the legs. All right, and then you can release the hand now. You can glide them. You can do one arm at a time, wide, up and over. Hands remain like this, or here, but not too far back. In the future we will do this, but for now keep it close. External, up and over. And then what if you're not ready to touch the heel? And then you can only go as far as this. It's all right. All right, press, rotating your arm bones externally so the fingers are slightly out to the side. You can move there, your knees, adjust. All right, and then you can lighten, walking your hands further close. Good, press. All right, good. And then you can keep one hand there, external, and in here
Yeah, crawl your hand underneath the head. You can lift the head to make room, and then you can grab one foot. All right, and then you can do the other one as well. And external, and then down. And then up, all the way to your release. Good. So in a nutshell, what you're doing is you're just actually manipulating this arm bone, yeah, underneath, but the elbow go forward and the hand will fall out. Yeah, but when it fall out, keep it close to your head. So your shoulder blades will remain underneath your chest. And then just continue doing that. Yeah, rubbing the shoulders, swinging those elbows, and you'll get the hang of it until such time that you can breathe comfortably through it. Yeah, as you do those techniques, you will feel your lungs. You can actually open more. You can breathe through it. Yeah, there's no issue lifting the head once in a while just to recover from the pressure until such time that you feel really light, and then you can just open and curl the head back and even reach your arms all the way back, that you don't have to do those adjustments anymore. So you can continue this all the way down into your Kapotasana, like so. And come back all the way to your setup. Okay, so keep practicing. Hopefully that one helps. Yeah, and good luck. Namaste. Yeah, see ya.